It's a hole. So they're gonna be working on here, mga loves. Nandito si Steve ngayon. Lagyan ni Mr. ng ganito. Kasi maalikabok kasi. So ito yung tinapay nila. Nilagyan ko na siya ng ham, mayonnaise, and butter. So lalagyan natin ito ng kamatis. I'm trying to cut it very thinly. Of course, hindi naman tayo master chef. Just gonna try our best. See, and then kailangan ko lang siyang lagyan ng kaunting salad cream. Hiya, Steve.
Hello.
Hello, how are you? Good.
You still got hot dog?
It's too hot here. Nagdalan sila ngayon. So, update muna. Oh, tingnan nyo. So, meron na tayong hagdanan dito. Here. Okay.
That was incredible, Andy. I don't know if you noticed, you did go slightly over.
So, it looks like na-connected na sila sa bahay. So, ito yung hapunan ko. Ayan. Rice and beef mushroom. And then, manonood tayo ng TV. By the way, papunta yung ex ni Mr. ngayon dito sa bahay. Kasi, ano daw, she will be here in England for a few weeks. So, gusto lang niya mag-catch up. Hindi na ako mapapakita sa kanya mga loves. Kasi, gusto lang naman niya mag-catch up kay Jan. Hindi naman niya sinabi na magka-catch up siya sa amin. Kaya hayaan ko na sila. Manonood ako ng TV dito while I'm listening. Nandito na siya mga loves. Kita niyo yan? Yan. There she is. They're talking out there. Ano kaya yung chinichika nila? Curious ako. It's so weird mga loves na nawala na yung plastic cover dito. Kasi nasanay ako ba na merong plastic cover dito na nakalagay. So, malaking hole na talaga dito. Mukhang doorway na naman talaga, no? Diba? Another update dito sa extension, mga loves. Tingnan nyo. Meron na mga ganito. So, where is the toilet? So, the toilet will be this side. Isn't it? And then this will be the door.
Door is that way, that way. Door is that way, that way. Toilet's there.
Yeah, it's a big toilet.
Eh?
It's a big toilet.
What's the big toilet?
It is a fairly okay sized toilet.
I don't say what. Might put shower here.
Okay.
And we could put. You have a seat there if you wanted. Put towel rails or whatever on there, or whatever. I don't know, we need to work it out.
Yeah. And then the bedroom will be here. The head of the bedroom is here.
This is your bedroom.
Huh?
This is your bedroom.
This is my bedroom over there. Okay. I don't mind. That's my bedroom daw mga loves. And ito yung bedroom niya.
Putting cupboards up there.
Yeah.
Putting cupboards up there. Or there.
I see.
Well,
Yeah.
Go in, so probably there. And then I put cupboards up for storage. I'll only go back up. I've got that far back. Just put things up.
So that we can put something in there, isn't it? I see, I see.
That's the bedroom size.
That's a big one, isn't it? Big bedroom.
Yeah, but just think, this would, if I'd have done that, this would have been ceiling height.
Yeah. So why did you not go to the ceiling height? Because we want to have a storage in there.
Oh, no, I want to have a high ceiling in here.
Okay.
Makes more sense.
Yeah. That's it. That's the update.
Get some more wood.
Yeah, he done more today. Another update kasi nagtrabaho si Jan ngayon sa extension. What did you do today? Putting all this?
I'll put the ceilings in.
Okay.
Suspended it. Really rigid.
So this one you did today?
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay.
These top ones here. And I put these in back and all them.
Okay. So, ano na ba?
Space for the cupboards up there. Which
yeah.
right along. I don't really need to put cupboards up. Probably do actually. Better.
We'll see.
No.
So, yan yung ginawa niya kanina. Naglagay siya ng ganito.
Put the cupboard door on there.
Can do.
There'll be 4 doors on there.
And the space in between we can use as a storage area. Yeah? Another update. So, magsasawa talaga kayo sa another update, mga loves ba? I see. Nakikita niyo yan? Parang may ano na siya. Lalagyan na ng mga gamit. So, na-imagine niyo? Oh, that's good. That's good, hon. That will be a good storage. Pero, paano natin yan abutin? How can we reach it, though? Hindi ako narinig. But it's too high, honey. How can you reach it? Ladder? Okay, ladder daw mga loves. Kaya. Ito yung kaunting update. Maninibago ako dito ba sa sa view kasi dito na ako titingin. So yeah, it's getting there but slowly. At least may mga kaunting progress kasi si Jan lang naman yung gumagawa. Oh my god, I'm so hungry mga loves. Nandito pala si Steve para tulungan si Mr. And tingnan nyo. Whoa, naglagay na sila ng ganito. So yeah, it's getting there. Ay, halaka. Tinatch natin mga loves. Ay, naku. Nandoon sila sa extension mga loves sa kwarto namin. Nagkukumpuni ng something. I don't know. But they're all busy there. Don't know. 6:53 in the morning and meron akong trabaho mga loves, pero si Jan nakalimutan niya i-open yung gate. Which key are you using? Do I have that?
It's the kennel key.
Ah, okay. Siya kasi yung nag-open ng gate talaga mga loves. Sabi ko, honey, hindi open yung gate. Mabigat kasi yan. Sige na, papunta na ako sa trabaho kasi malilate na talaga ako. Magsasaing ako. Magsaing tayo mga loves. Kasi gutom ako. Wala pa akong hapunan. By the way, update lang ha. Kasi yung nakita nyo sa last video is itong dito, sa extension na to, is wala pa to. Ito, turn around ko lang yung camera. So, ito, diba last update ko sa inyo is ito pa lang yung nakita nyo. Itong paglagay ng ganito. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung tawag. But yeah, meron na tayong partition dito. So, this will be the toilet mga loves. So, the new toilet. So, yung ito, babagbagin to. And then yung toilet ngayon, ilalagay dito, itatransfer dito. So, imagine niyo pag wala na tong wall dito, malaki na talaga yung space dito. So, ang plano namin is to have a lot of storage here. Yeah, para may space sa bahay pa rin. A little bit of pantry or something. So, I don't know if the sink will be the same. I don't know mga loves kung ano yung plano ni Mr. dito. But definitely, the toilet will be moving there. Yeah. So yeah, there's still a lot to do. Pero, it's getting there. I think, as I said nga, ang pinakahuling gagawin is ito siguro. Kanina, nandito yung electrician kanina. Para magpresyo kung magkano yung singil niya sa pag ano ng mga electricity, pag install or something. So si Jan yung nakakaalam dyan. But yeah, ito siguro yung pinaka-last talaga na gawin namin.